The driver of a bus approaching a big wall notices that the frequency of his bus's horn changes from 420 Hz to 490 Hz when he hears it after it gets reflected from the wall. Find the speed of the bus if the speed of sound is 330 meter per second. When the wall is the listener and the bus or the source is moving towards it, then the frequency received by the wall, Fw, will be 330 over 330 minus the speed of the bus into the original frequency F0. Now when the wall becomes the source and the listener, the bus driver, is moving towards it, then the frequency of sound after reflection becomes F dash is equal to 330 plus V upon 330, the frequency received by the wall. So we'll put this value in this. So the frequency after reflection becomes 330 plus V upon 330 into 330 upon 330 minus V into F0, or 490 is equal to 330 plus V upon 330 minus V into 420. Therefore, the velocity of the bus becomes 25.2 meter per second, which is 91 kilometer per hour. So the correct answer is option 2.